In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Remix in Google Photos. This feature is a fantastic way to transform your photos into various artistic styles like anime, sketch, or even 3D art. Whether you're using an Android phone, an iPhone, or an iPad, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, let's start by opening Google Photos on your device. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. This is crucial because it allows you access to all the features Google Photos offers. If you're not signed in, you might miss out on some functionality. Next up, tap on Create and then choose Remix. This is where the magic begins. Selecting Remix opens up a world of creative possibilities for your photos. It's important to note that this step is pivotal as it leads you to the style selection. Now you will choose a style. Here you might see options like anime, 3D animation, sketch, cartoon, and various illustration styles. Tap on the style you want Google Photos to apply. Selecting the right style can really enhance the mood of your photo. Consider experimenting with different styles to see which one best suits your image. With your style selected, it's time to select a photo to edit. Tap on any photo you want to transform, ensuring it's clearly visible. Faces tend to work best for Remix. Choosing a clear and focused photo is key to getting the best results. If your photo is blurry or too dark, the Remix might not meet your expectations. After you've chosen your photo, tap Generate to begin the Remix process. Wait a few seconds while the AI processes your image, then preview the result. This waiting period is when the AI does the heavy lifting. It analyzes and transforms your photo, so be patient while it works its magic. Once you have your remixed image, you can either save or share it. Tap Save to store it in your gallery, or tap Share to post it on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. This decision depends on what you want to do with your creation. Saving allows you to admire your work later, while sharing lets your friends and followers see your artistic flair immediately. Here's a helpful tip. This feature works best with clear portraits, so try to use those for optimal results. Group photos may not remix properly, as the AI might have difficulty distinguishing between different faces. Also ensure that backup is enabled on your device for the full suite of AI features to work smoothly. This backup feature ensures that your photos and edits are safely stored and accessible across devices. That's it! You've successfully learned how to use Remix in Google Photos. With these steps, you can effortlessly transform ordinary photos into stunning works of art. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and enjoy exploring the endless possibilities this feature offers. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring.